Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Okay students, today we will review writing number 7, 8 and 9, and we will also draw for these numbers. Okay, let's start. How you will write number 7? You all know that from beginning dot you will go straight and match with this dot, and then come to down and draw a slant line to write number 7. Okay, then after 7 what will come? Yes, number 8. So start from the beginning dot like this and make a S. Then go up and match with the beginning dot again to write number 8. Now I told you how to write number 9. Make a curve, then go up like this and come down in a straight line like this. Okay, so this is the way you will write number 7, 8 and 9. Let's draw for number 7. Okay, what shall we draw? Yes, something easy. Let's draw triangles. So how many triangles we have to draw? 7. That's right. Let's draw 7 triangles and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are 7 triangles. We drew 7 triangles in front of number 7. Now what you have to do? You will draw 8 and 9. Anything you want. Something easy like lollipops, apples, oranges. You can draw anything, and this is your assignment. Thank you students.